Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting our uh, array related algorithm series, and the first problem in this series is to sum. This is one of the most popular uh, uh, questions out there, and it is not that difficult. It is easy to medium level. So as the question suggests on the screen, given an array of integers nums and an integer's target returns indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a target, right? So again, there is an assumption that we can assume that each input would have exactly one solution, so we don't have to worry about edge cases where there will be an input array and there is no solution, such kind of stuff, right? And you may not use the same element twice. This makes it a easy problem, so we just have to iterate from left to right and that's it, and we don't have to consider the same element multiple times, right? Then you can return the answer in any order. Fine. So it is straightforward that we will be a array as input that will contain numbers, and then we're gonna get a target. We have to find out that there will be two number in this array, that when we make sum of those two, it should be equals to target. So this definitely can be solved using iteration, and first we have to iterate through the array, and second again we have to iterate for the same array. So I and j, for every element of the array we can iterate from I plus 1, and we just keep adding those, and we'll see when we're gonna get a target, and we can return I and j. But that will be a OFN square solution, and this particular problem can be solved using OFN. How we're going to do? We have to implement a dynamic programming. For example, let's see, if 2 is there, right? We consider 2 in a sum, right? 2 is less than 9, so definitely we can consider it. Then what is the remainder? Well, then we just have to consider 9 minus 2, that is 7, right? We have to see 7. So let's see if we can save the 2 in a map. Then when we go to 7, then what the remainder we need? 9 minus 7 is 2. Then we see, hey, is there a 2 present in that array before? If we get yes, it means the 7 plus 2 equal to 9, and we're gonna return the 2's index and 7's index, right? So for that we will implement a map and keep saving the value and the indexes, and every time we'll get a target minus element value in the map, we just have to return the value. Simple as that. So let's implement that particular problem. Okay, so first const map equals to new map, right? Then we have to implement a for loop. Then indexes will become I, then our array will become nums, right? Nums. So we got the initial setup. Now we have to check is for every I if the map has the target minus that particular element. So if the map dot has target minus element, then return map.get target minus element and then I. This will be the answer. If it's not there in the map, else we have to put that particular number in the map, right? Map dot set that particular number, that is element, and its index. So that should do the trick. And I have written the test cases based on whatever the test cases given here, and we're gonna run it. So all of our test cases passed, and that's the two-sum solution, as easy as that. Thank you.